Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 5232P. This is a 2016 Ford Transit T150 cargo van with only 77K. This one, like a lot of the other ones we just got recently, come from our local telecoms company. Very nicely outfitted, nice clean vans. The Ranger bulkhead, they've got some slat wall up front for some blue bin storage. And then there's also some racking here on both the driver's and passenger side. Weather guard ladder rack up top, which is capable of housing 3 ladders, 2 extensions and a step. They've got a hitch in the back as well as a backup cam. About 9 feet from the bulkhead to the back door, so you can put full sheets of material in here. Again, shelving on both sides. There's also a rear heater, and then they've got this plywood floor in here, which is awesome for sliding materials and tools in and out of, and not busting your knees all up when you're crawling in there. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt and cruise. And the heater control switches are just up above there as well. Again, plenty of uses for something like this, anywhere from electrical contracting to plumbing and heating to general contracting. Really nice low mile outfitted van. Definitely be a great addition to your fleet. Again, stock number 5232, 2016 Ford Transit.